I like it when we talk na yaka. Paano lang kita? Is it okay?
Yeah. Hi everyone.
Introduce yourself, Ace.
Sa mga pagkaila, actually, I am Ace Barrios, the SK President of the Municipality of Hinatuan, and I am 25 years old.
So, bago lang niya tapos ang kanato session.
Yes.
How is it being an SK Federation president?
Being the youngest in the August Chamber, it's not really easy. I am surrounded with brilliant, accomplished individuals. Pero for the youth of Hinatuan, for the information of everyone, for the last 2 years of service, wala pa yung absent ko sa session. It's because
Wow.
gusto ko na aron sa session, of course, as the voice of the youth of Hinatuan, of course, I need to be there for, not just for myself, but for everyone else.
Unan ba ang kanato pinaka yadumduman na yapas nato na legislations?
One of the most remembering ordinance that I have passed is that my very first ordinance, that's declaring August as the Municipal Youth Day of Hinatuan.
Unan pa ba ang kanato pinakaganahan as a public servant?
The best thing about being,
The pros and the cons. Oo.
of course, being a public servant, you are in the center of scrutiny and, of course, public scrutiny. But I think there are criticisms that are destructive and others are constructive. But that's the best thing about it. Because of those criticisms, you will get to know yourself more and para mag-improve ka as a person. Because it's not about na dili ka mag-take ng criticisms. It's because it's really important na mag-kuan ka ng criticisms ng upod kay you will get to improve yourself more.
That's right. Una ng pinaka-struggle mo as a youth, a normal youth, not just as a public official.
Before I became the SK president, of course, I was a normal youth wandering around Hinatuan. I think the hardest thing about it, pinakalisod siguro kay as youth, we are we are on the way of knowing ourselves more. I think that's the best part. I think that's the hardest part, to know yourself better and to know yourself more. But now, as I get older, of course, I get to know myself more. I have even I get to know myself more. It's because I have listened to not just to myself, but I have listened to what the public is saying also.
What is your message sa kanato mga kabatanunan?
My message to all of the youth in Binatuan is that just be true to yourself and you will never get lost. Okay? Because special, it's because of culture, it's because of trends, what is happening in our society. We get to, what we want is that na ara kita permis sa uso. But along the way, makalimtan nato kung sino kita. That's why just try to know yourself. Kay we know ourselves better than anyone else, Manggod. So, that's it.
And then, this question, of course, single or taken?
Okay, for the information of everyone, Charis. As of now, I'm single. It's because my priority as of now kay dedicate my remaining months of service as your SK.
Trabaho.
Charis. I-dedicate ko na other remaining months of my service. Kay these remaining months can either be emotional for me as I end my term, pero thinking also about that love phase, my heart is open and my mind is open for nomination.
What quality do you look for in a partner?
I've been through different relationships, but now I'm looking for someone who will accept me as I am. I am someone who is full of respect and someone who is also dedicated to our Lord Almighty. Okay, of course. I have been in relationships that are infatuation, but now I am actually looking for someone Gayud na
Serious.
serious and I am ready to settle down.
Any more message? Sa entero hinatuanon is
My message to all of you guys is first is Happy Women's Month sa mga kababayan nato. And my message to all of you is that please be safe, please be happy. Because at the end of the day, it's much importante na yalipay kita ng patagay.
thank you so much, Ace. Bye!
Okay,